people that deal with rentals, management almost becomes the thing where if you could have a good property, but if you have a bad management company or you don't set up good expectations or have good communication and systems with them, it's going to turn into a nightmare. So the fact that you've mastered this, I'd love to hear on what makes a good management company.
Well, hopefully, one, you're vetting the property management company. What is the experience level? What's the staff look like? What is their systems? Are they licensed? In many states, you have to be affiliated with a broker or be a broker to offer property management services. I can't believe how many people are out there advertising property management services that are not a licensed brokerage. It's literally illegal. You end up in court, it's going to be really hard to, properly represent your clients because you're not licensed. And I talk to the management company about this all the time. Your fiduciary responsibility is to back up their investment. I think it also really behooves people to understand what's the infrastructure of that property management company. Do they have in-house maintenance? Who are they contracting out to? What does the project management services look like? Because it's very easy to get nickel and dimed. If you don't have a proper process in-house for vetting tenant complaints, you could very easily be paying for tenant-caused issues inside of your own home. And so for everything, there's more systems, there's more processes, there's, hopefully a really reliable staff that are ensuring that those things go off accordingly. But I see it on both sides. And so that's why due diligence and hiring the right management